The moment you drink water after waking up, your body instantly starts reacting, and most people have no idea this is happening. After several hours of sleep, your body becomes slightly dehydrated. Your organs, brain, and muscles have all used water during the night. So when you drink water in the morning, your body responds very quickly. First, the water travels down into your stomach and gets absorbed into your bloodstream. As hydration spreads, your blood circulation improves, helping oxygen and nutrients move more efficiently throughout your body. Your brain also reacts fast. Even mild dehydration can make you feel tired or unfocused. Drinking water after waking up may help increase alertness and energy levels. At the same time, your kidneys begin filtering waste and balancing fluid levels more effectively. Your digestive system also becomes more active, preparing your body for food later in the day. Water can even help your muscles and joints by improving lubrication after hours without fluids. Your skin cells also benefit from the extra hydration. But drinking excessive amounts of water too quickly can sometimes upset your body's electrolyte balance, so moderation is important. That simple morning glass of water does much more than just satisfy thirst. It helps your entire body wake up and function properly.